Good day, viewers. You are welcome
Welcome to my channel.
today's exciting math class. So we have to integrate this. How do we go about this? First, we are going to go through partial fraction. So let's start with that first. When you have 1 over s raised to the power of 3 minus 1, so this is equals to a over x minus 1 into bracket plus bx plus c over x squared plus s plus 1. So now we have 1 is equals to a multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1, and we have bx plus c into bracket multiplied by x minus 1. Starting with this, a times a x squared, we have ax squared, we have ax, and we have a. And for this side, we have bs times s, which is bs squared, bs times minus 1 minus bs, c times x, we have plus cx, c times minus 1, which is minus c. So now we'll be comparing the coefficients. Starting with the one with s raised to the power of 2, we have a and we have b. So a plus b, and the sign between the both is positive, is equals to 0, because you can't see it here. And comparing this coefficient together, so we have this, and we have this. So we have a minus b plus c all equals to 0 also. And comparing the last one, the one without any number beside, we have a minus c. And don't forget we have 1 here, so a minus c is equals to 1. Now, how do we solve this? Let's start here now. We have from here, we can say that a is equals to 1 plus c, or let's say c is equals to a minus 1. And when c is equals to a minus 1, substitute it here, we have a minus b plus a minus 1 is equals to c. When you substitute c into this equation, here we have equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. So substitute equation 4 into equation 2. Here now we have 2a minus b is equals to 1, and here we have a plus b is equals to 0. So now make a the subject here, and when you make a the subject, a is equals to minus b. So where you have a, you just substitute minus b. So we have this to be 2 open bracket minus b is equals to 1. Therefore we have minus 3b is equals to 1. So b is therefore equals to 1 minus 3. So since b is equals to 1 minus 3, don't forget here we said a plus b is equals to 0. Now we can just say that a is equals to a plus, don't forget b is minus 1 over 3 into bracket all equals to 0. So therefore a is equals to 1 over 3, collecting like times. And we have gotten to, it remains c. Here we said a minus c is equals to 1. So we have 1 over 3 minus c is equals to 1. Bring this to this side and bring this to this side. So we'll be having c to be equals to 1 over 3 minus 1, which is equals to 4 over 3. Sorry guys, minus 2 over 3 rather. So we have gotten the 3, we have gotten ABC. Now the integration of 1 over s raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is equals to Integration of, we said a and our a is 1 over 3, so 1 over 3 over x minus 1, and we have plus bs, so b is 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3 x, and you have plus c, so c here is minus 2 over 3 all over x is to the power of 2. Sorry guys, I hope you are seeing it now. X is to the power of 2 plus x plus 1. So now let's start with this first. Starting with this first, let's multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. So when you multiply the numerator by 3, we have the integration of this. After multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 3 to be 1 over 3 times x minus 1. So we can just say that 1 over 3 outside the integration sign over, which is 1 over x minus 1. And don't forget, when the derivative of the denominator is equal to the numerator, you can just say that this is equals to 1 over 3 the natural log of x minus 1. So it seems we are through with this. We have gotten the first part. Let's now move to the second part. That's where we have the most of the work. So here now we have the integration of minus 1 over 3s minus 2 over 3 x squared plus s plus 1. So we want to make this to look simple also. The way we did this, that we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. So here now we are going to multiply it. Let's multiply it by 6. So multiplying this through by 6, so minus 1 over 3s multiplied by 6 is going to give me minus 2x, and this also multiplied by 6 is going to give me minus what? That's 2. It's going to give me minus 4. So, and here we'll be multiplying the denominator here by x by 6, which is s squared plus s plus 1. Opening to the next page. So now here we can just see that 1 over 6 rather, the integration sign of minus. So let's factor out the minus sign. If you factor out the minus sign, we are going to have 2s plus 4 here over s squared plus x plus 1. So I want us to do something the way we did the first one. We said that when the derivative, I want to make the derivative of x squared plus s plus 1 to be at the numerator. So the derivative of this should be 2x plus 1. So we'll write this to be minus 1 over 6 integration of 2s plus 1 plus 3 over s squared plus s plus 1. Now we are going to separate it by saying minus 1 over 6 multiplied by the integration of 2s plus 1 over s squared plus s plus 1 plus, here we'll be having 3 over s squared plus s plus 1. So now we have minus 1 over 6. Here, this is going to turn to the natural log of x squared plus s plus 1. Don't forget the derivative of the integration of 1 over s squared plus s plus 1. So now we have minus 1 over 6. Here we have the natural log of s squared plus s plus 1 plus 3 the natural integration of 1 over. Now we'll change this to, or we are going to rewrite it as open bracket s plus 1 over 2 squared plus root 3 over 2 squared. So this is going to give us this back. I want us to use it. We are going to be using a trigonometry substitution here, which is when you have 1 over a squared plus s squared is equals to 1 over a tan inverse open bracket s minus a, s over a rather. So we'll be using this trigonometric substitution here. Don't forget. Now we have the negative 1 over 6, the natural log of s squared plus s plus 1. Here we have plus 3, the integration of this now. So if you integrate this, we are going to be getting the, what I said, we are going to be using the trigonometric substitution. Now the trigonometric substitution is going to give us 1 over, so this is the s squared, mistake, there's a mistake here, s squared, and this is the a. So we have this to be our s squared, and we said using this property we have 1 over a, and a is root 3 over 2 all squared tan inverse. Here we have x is this, which is s squared plus 1 over 2 is to the power of 2 all over our a, which is root 3 over 2 all squared. So now we are going to simplify this further. We have minus 1 over 6, the natural log of s squared plus s plus 1. Here now we have plus 3 times, we said root 3 over 2 all squared. So this is to the power of 2. Sorry guys, there's no squared there. No squared. I don't know what is wrong with me. No squared. So we have 1 over root 3 over 2. And if you multiply, you are going to have 2 over root 3 tan inverse of, here you have x plus 1 over 2, and here you have root 3 over 2. So it will be x times 2 over root 3, which is going to give you 2x over root 3. And here it will be 1 over 2 times root 3, which is going to give me plus 2 over 2 root 3 here. So we have, let's check again, is this correct? Yeah, it's correct. Now let's multiply 2 with this minus sign. We have 1 over 6, the natural log of s squared plus x plus 1. So we have negative sign here, and here we have minus 3. We can rewrite this, don't forget this is in short form, we can rewrite this as 2 root 3 over 3. Don't forget when you multiply this with the denominator and numerator, so you have times 2 root 3 over 3, and here we have tan inverse of. So here now, simplifying this further, we have 2s plus 1 over root 3, or we can just say that 3, and here into brackets root 3. Wow. Next step is to open this bracket. So we have the, and don't forget, we have solved one here before, which we said this is equals to 1 over 3 the natural log of x minus 1. We are going to add it to it. Don't forget. So now let's now add all our answers together. We have 1 over 3 the natural log of x minus 1, and here we open the bracket, we have minus 1 over 6 the natural log of x squared plus x plus 1. Here multiply this by 1 over 6. Don't forget this 3 cancel out this. So 2 in 6 is going to give us 3. Therefore, we have minus root 3 over 3 tan inverse. Here we have 2x plus 1 into bracket multiplied by root 3 over 3. So now, what is the common terms here? We can say that this 1 over 6 to be 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. Therefore, if it is 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, we can factor this out by saying 1 over 3 into bracket the natural log of x minus 1. Here, don't forget, we'll be left with 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 the natural log of x squared plus s plus 1 minus root 3 over 3 tan inverse blah blah blah. So using the law of logarithm, this is equals to 1 over 3. Don't forget, if you reverse this, this is going to change to the power. Don't forget, this is going to change to power the number beside. So you are going to have times the natural log of x minus 1 divided by root. Don't forget, power of 1 over 2 is root s raised to the power of 2 plus s plus 1. And just bring this to this side. Just bring this to this side. That is our final answer. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed the class. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.